Alright, what is going on, guys? Ratchet Hatch here for another video. So I want to first welcome any new subscribers out there. I know my buddy Aaron with the Claw Kicker channel just gave me a shout out, and I really appreciate that, so thank you, Aaron. And I just want to talk to all you new subscribers to give you a quick little overview of what we're going to be doing on my channel. So I want to first and foremost say that this is a automotive inspired channel, and when I say that, I don't mean that every single second of every video I make will be about cars. A lot of it is more of a lifestyle channel, as I would describe it. So I don't want to sit here and ramble for 20 minutes about what this channel is going to have on it or what it might have on it, because I'm still learning and I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do, what you guys want to watch, and what hasn't already been done on YouTube. So the theme of the channel is still cars, and you're going to see a lot of automotive content in the videos, but I don't think if you don't know much about cars or you don't have any interest in cars, you're going to be left out from this channel, because I really hope to broadcast my personality through the camera and make some really funny videos that may not have anything to do with cars, actually. So thank you to you guys, the new subscribers, and thank you to the few hundred people who have been subscribed for a while now. I hope you guys continue to enjoy the content I make and enjoy the content that I will make in the future. So the first thing on my agenda was welcoming all the new subscribers, and the second thing I wanted to talk about in this video was the current cars I'm driving and what you guys will see on the channel in the future, hopefully, because I again don't know what opportunities will come my way, what cars I might buy. You know, everything can change depending on, you know, my job or school or whatever. There's a lot of factors that might change what I will be into in the future for the channel. But for those of you who have been on the channel for a while, you've probably noticed that I've gone through like 15 or 20 cars throughout the videos I've made. I think I have about 30 videos, and half of them are probably about buying a new car, which I know is kind of ridiculous to some of you guys who have had the same car for a long time. But I'll just be upfront and say that I'm a very impatient person, and I like to change things up a lot. I'm sure there's some of you out there who get bored of things after a month or two and switch on to something else. So if you guys want to see a lot of variety in the car scene, I think this channel is going to be great for you, because I will probably not end up having one car for a long time unless it's a designated like daily driver that I keep for a long time and then have a project on the side. But anyways, I will get to what I'm driving right now, but that was the first point, is that you might see me switch cars a lot, and I'd love to hear feedback from you guys on if you feel like there's anything missing on the YouTube automotive channel space. Like if you haven't seen any videos on Mini Coopers, or if you haven't seen any videos on X brand, you know, I want feedback from you guys, because there's a lot of cars that I have not owned yet and I really want to. And I've kind of gone through my analytics and my videos in the past and seen what people like or what people haven't seen a lot of on YouTube already. And like I said, Mini Coopers are one of those things that one of my favorite cars of all time, and the majority of my videos that have gotten pretty popular have been about those. So it's one of those things where it's like, am I buying the car just to get more views on a video, or do I really like it? And the thing is, I like Mini Coopers a lot, and we're getting off topic here, but anyways, I like the cars a lot, and I want to make sure that I would actually buy something that I would like instead of just for YouTube, because I feel like that wouldn't be very genuine, and I just wouldn't feel right doing that. So I think I've pretty much covered everything I wanted to. Again, thank you new subscribers for joining the channel, and I hope you enjoy all your time here. 2, you're going to see a lot of cars on the channel unless something changes and I find my perfect car in the next year or two, which could be a possibility. But anyways, getting off topic. So now that I covered those 2, let's go out to the driveway and check out what I'm driving right now. So I'll see you in a second. Peace. Alright, so here she is, my 2004 BMW 325 Xi. As you can see, tan interior. We'll look at that in a second. But yeah, she's in really good shape. The car is pretty much stock except for a muffler delete that I had at local shop make, and I do have a video about that already. So yeah, that's what I'm driving right now. Nothing too crazy, but it's a nice, comfortable car, pretty quick, and I really like driving it. So let's go ahead and get into it and check out the interior. One thing I really like about this car is it's got these really cool keys where the BMW logo is actually the lock button. Anyways, let's get into it. As you can see, it's got the tan interior. Never been a really big tan interior guy, but this one looks really good in my opinion. Seats are all in great shape. Let's go ahead and get into it. Close the door. So yeah, pretty typical BMW here. Nice steering wheel, 5-speed manual of course. Go ahead and put the key in. Got the old school red BMW gauges. Start. Got a nice upgraded stereo in it. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. I'm sure you guys have seen similar cars like this in the past. Give her a little rev. Yeah, it's a pretty good sounding car, I think. My neighbor's gonna kill me for revving my car out again like I do every day. But yeah, that's pretty much the story with the BMW. It's a really fun car. It's been great in the winter with the all-wheel drive and the snow tires, and I really can't complain. I got it for super cheap. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car, if I'm gonna keep it, if I'm gonna sell it, trade it, whatever. Not 100% sure at the moment, but it's really good for what I got it for. It's really nice, comfortable daily. So that's what I'm driving currently. Wanted to let you guys know and introduce you to the car. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I really hope you guys got the message I was trying to say earlier, where I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this car or my next car, but look forward to lots of adventures and lots of interesting stuff that you probably wouldn't see on channels where they keep the same car for a long time. But yeah, the point I'm really trying to get across is that this is going to be a very random and interesting channel to watch. I feel like not the same old stuff that you've seen before. We're gonna go on lots of adventures. We're gonna go road trip with people. I'm gonna show you all kinds of amazing cars around this area and around Michigan in general. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.